Oh, it would be finer on Saturday than 60,000 bees screaming for your blood. Insulated, half an armored protection suit. In the middle of a field that has a very aggressive bull somewhere that Bob Haig knows about. And I think I see the end of it finally. Maybe. Well, they are chaining. Alright, how about a little more smoke goodness? Then it's time for some comb cutting. Under the knee, under the elbow. These guys are in the mood. Looks like just pollen. Okay, honey, brood, pollen, lots of pollen. The bee is just emerging right there. So you are my eyes and ears. I want to see all of this. Mistakes I make. See what good things I do. Just cut this right in the middle, make this more manageable. some brood in the back. Not much. Put that aside. Alright, I felt it go. We've got some honey stores, some brood stores, a couple of bees emerging. These guys are ramping up. Brood on the back. Alright, let's go put this one into the top bar. Generally it doesn't pay to keep honeycomb. This is barely honeycomb. You're getting a brood. It stung me. I tried to. Let's tighten it up some. There we go. And it just is a little bit too tall and deep. So I'm going to cut off a little bit of this. Which way is up? That way is up. Where's that way? Looks like that way is up. Alright, we're back again at it. Just pulled out a junk comb, a little bit of nectar on this end. I'll cut it off, put it in the nectar bucket. This goes in the junk bucket. Okay, the cutout is done. It was 6 combs that went 3.5 feet long in this camper. I now have them in the top bar hive. You can see from the orange tie wraps, I think I've got about 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 combs I chose to keep. Unfortunately, unlike a laying, I had to get smaller brood comb chunks that I could put in the top bar. But I still have a bunch of bees buzzing around. I don't know what to do about these guys, except leave the top bar here with a couple of bars off, let them get in the hive tonight, and then tonight come back, seal it up, load it up, and go home. I'm going to let you have a peek inside. Looks like I got a bunch of bees hanging on to the underside of the screen bottom board. Anyway, I've had a hell of a time with stings. I still have bees inside my suit. Don't know how they got in there, except maybe in the beginning. Hot, dirty work. All the honey was uncured, or I couldn't tell if it was cured.
May 10th, it's the day after the cutout. The cutout continued. Cleanup after that. Camera memory card filled up. I left the hive